This is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. Today I'm fired up to share my top 5 reasons to experience live fire cooking. We're talking about harnessing the power of the flame with a variety of grills and setups. From the simplicity of a basic fire pit or a classic Cowboy fire pit to the unique design of a Santa Maria grill or the versatility of Argentinian grills, live fire cooking offers a world of possibilities. Let's dive into why you should give it a try. Reason 1, flavor. Nothing beats the taste of food cooked over an open flame. The smoke, the char, the way it sears in those beautiful grill marks, it's pure magic. Whether it's the primal sizzle of a steak over hot coals or the slow, smoky embrace of a brisket in the smoker, live fire cooking adds a depth of flavor you just can't replicate with any other method. Reason 2, it's an adventure. Live fire cooking is all about getting your hands dirty and experimenting. It's about mastering the elements, learning how to control the heat, and becoming one with the flame. Every cook is a new challenge, a new opportunity to learn and grow your skills. Reason 3, versatility is key. From grilling to smoking, roasting to baking, there's nothing you can't cook over a live fire. Steaks, chicken, veggies, even pizza. The possibilities are endless. You can sear, smoke, slow cook, or even bake using a Dutch oven. It's a whole culinary world waiting to be explored. Reason 4, unleash your inner independence and become the ultimate prepper. Ditch the dependence on utilities and embrace the freedom of live fire cooking. No need for electricity, gas, or fancy gadgets. With just wood or charcoal, you can create culinary magic. It's a liberating feeling knowing you can cook delicious food anytime, anywhere with minimal resources. Plus, it's a key skill for any aspiring prepper. Talk about being prepared for anything. Reason 5, community and connection. Live fire cooking is meant to be shared. Whether it's a backyard barbecue with friends and family or a gathering around the campfire, there's something special about cooking and eating together outdoors. It's a chance to connect with loved ones, create memories, and build community. So there you have it, folks. My top 5 reasons why live fire cooking is the ultimate way to cook. If you're not already on the bandwagon, I encourage you to give it a try. You won't be disappointed. I hope this video was informative and helped you learn more about the world of barbecue. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time.